We're going to go check out Galata Tower today, possibly Galata Bridge.
We're going for a Galata theme
We're going to
today.
go for a Galata theme. Galata Tower is super old and there's a lot of history behind it, so it should be pretty interesting. It was built a super long time ago, 500 something, 80 by the Byzantines. So there's some cool history to explore, as well as some new streets to wander down and new people watching to do.
Galata Tower. It's loud because there's a lot of people here. Like a lot of people are at Galata Tower, and you can see the Golden Horn and the Bosphorus from where we are. It's said to be the best view in Istanbul.
What is it?
That's the chain that was in the water. That made boats had to go across land. That changed it.
Hold out your arms.
Wrong way.
Wrong way, other way.
Towards Üsküdar.
So someone actually did this. They flew from this tower down to Üsküdar.
Really?
Yeah, they made wings out of wood and flew down. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Would you do that?
Turns out the only observatory in the history of the Ottoman Empire was started right here in Galata Tower.
I don't know exactly what's happening, but it's a guy with a whole bunch of balloons and then another guy with some rabbits.
Funny.
They looked like they were arguing, but I don't think they were. I think they were just having a very passionate conversation. It's kind of interesting.
Visited Galata Tower, so we figured to head over to Galata Bridge as well.
Galata Bridge is the bridge over the Golden Horn. It's the way to get to kind of like the main touristy part, but it's known for all people that fish.
Yeah.
Like all walks of life, all age groups, mostly men. I'm not exactly sure what they're fishing for. It looks like sardines. Maybe?
Sardine, yeah, they're all really small.
I can smell the fish already though. Yeah, do you smell it? The breeze just got a big
It's
one.
wafting.
Let's go. these like fresh fruit where it's like pomegranate. It's like whole pomegranate squeezed. So we just decided to try one.
And it took like 5 pomegranates and an orange to make, or maybe 6 pomegranates.
Do you want to try it? Cheers.
Daddy, you would
Straight
like
up juice.
sour.
It's
Oh,
good. It's very tart though.
It tastes like pomegranate mixed with orange. Definitely tastes
Do you like it, Layla?
It's really good. I love pomegranates.
yeah, because you love sour.
We just got some of the orange. That's a good accent.
Yeah.
What kind of accent is it?
Orangey.
That was a lot of stairs and hills. The what?
The city of hills, for sure. To check out Galata Tower and also Galata Bridge and just the surrounding neighborhoods to just kind of take a peek into Istanbul life and culture, and a lot of people out today.
Yeah, there was way more people than I expected at the tower. It was a little overwhelming because I feel like that's the most crowded.
Well, it's cramped too. It's a small space.
But during the pandemic, I feel like that was the busiest place that we've been. So we didn't stay very long because it was a little overwhelming, but
it was pretty cool though to see kind of the 360 view of the city.
I feel like we're a little spoiled because our Airbnb here and our last Airbnb was so high up. So I kind of feel like we've seen views. I mean, it definitely was like a different angle. Plus, it was one of the oldest towers in the world, so that was kind of cool. I think the bridge was probably one of my favorites.
Yeah, it's super unique. Just all the people, different kinds of people.
Yeah, like I wonder how many people are there. Like, is it sport? Because I feel like in the States, like most people fish for sport. So I wonder if it's like sport or if it's like to earn a living.
I feel like some of them are selling things right there.
Yeah.
We had to move inside.
Got a little breezy out there. I was saying, I think one of my favorite things to see as we've been around Istanbul is I love like seeing, it's primarily men, but sitting like outside of shops or
just hanging
stores. But they always have like their little cups of tea, like nice glass teacups in their daily.
Just enjoying life.
Yeah. We were even the other day driving by and it was a construction site. So like the men are all dressed in their hard hats and then they had like cups of tea. I just think that's like the coolest. I don't know. I just love it. That's been one of my favorite things about just.
Yeah, I feel like they try to enjoy life here.
Yeah.
Which is why the hospitality is at another level. Yeah.
Yeah.